Okay, okay, let's go down to the video. Okay, let's do this.
Hey, does anyone want to switch?
Fine. If no one wants to switch, then we'll make them switch.
Let's take Teardrop,
Why her?
because she's my best friend.
How do you know?
She's the only one who hasn't said she hates me.
Well, let's take her and get out of here.
Wait! Teardrop will only switch if she wants to switch.
Fine. Teardrop, if you refuse, we'll let you go back. Otherwise, you're mine!